Hi all! You are on Max's channel. Here we watch natural phenomena that are happening right now.
哇！
Istanbul reeled under severe weather as stormy winds brought destructive low winds, causing floods and devastation.
The horror of this situation is beyond words. It's devastating to see Mother Nature unleash her fury like
Turkey's
this.
State Meteorological Agency has issued storm and heavy rain warnings for 13 cities, including Istanbul. Winds accompanied by heavy rains then affected these areas.
My heart goes out to everyone affected by this tragedy.
A gust is a strong downward wind that results in an outward blast of harmful wind on or near the ground. It is similar to rainfall from a supercell thunderstorm. However, it is
This is pure horror.
Winds
I can't fathom the pain people are going through.
Colliding with the ground and spreading outward at high speed. Istanbul authorities responded by issuing a statement predicting strong thunderstorms and potentially strong thunderstorms across Istanbul in the next 3
the sheer
hours.
Terror people must be feeling.
Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality's Disaster Coordination Center earlier warned of anomalies and high winds, a southwest storm and heavy rain expected to start from noon today. Please join us every day to stay updated with weather information. Don't miss out, click the register button to support us.
This is absolutely devastating. I can't comprehend the scale of destruction. Guys, take care of yourselves. Peace to everyone.